Imagine downloading an innocent-looking app and then this message pops up. Your phone is hacked by ACW360. You must pay 0.1 BTC or you may lose your data. Sounds scary, right? Today I am testing real malware on a smartphone. Let's see what happens. I'm going to show you how ransomware works on Android safely on my own test device, so you understand how dangerous it really is and how to protect yourself. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purpose only. Do not use this on real device you do not own. Hackers use this trick every day to lock phones and steal money. Let's see what happens when I test it but in a legal and controlled environment. What is Android ransomware? Android ransomware is a type of malware that locks your phone or encrypts your files until you pay money. Hackers usually hide it inside fake apps or links. We are not using a real victim here. We will test this on my own Android phone using a tool called SARA, Simple Android Ransomware. Tools you needed: Kali Linux or any Linux distribution attacker machine, Android device, your test phone or emulator. SARA tool will use. Paste. Let's install the SARA tool from GitHub. I will provide the link in the description. Git clone downloads the tool. cd navigate to the SARA directory. sudo bash install.sh install the SARA dependency. Then run it by typing python3 sara.py. Now we generate the ransomware APK file that we'll test on our device. Choose option 3 to build screen ransomware. Enter a name of the payload, example a build.apk. Set up head, for example hacked. Set the ransom message. For demo, something simple like your phone is hacked by ACW360. You must pay 0.1 BTC or you may lose your data. Set the app icon. You can copy and paste your favorite icon path here, but for this demo, I will use the default SARA icon path. Set the app key. This key will unlock your phone after it gets locked, so choose it carefully. This APK is just for testing. In real attacks, hackers send this file to victims through social engineering. In this case, I choose option 2 and I will share it to my Android phone using a Python server. Next, we move the APK to our test device and install it. Remember, this is my own phone and this is only for demonstration. Click Install to install it. Watch what happens when I open it. The app is asking for permission. Click Continue. As soon as the app runs, the ransomware takes control. It locks the screen and shows a ransom message asking for money. This is exactly what hackers do to scare users into paying. But remember, this is a controlled test. Here's how to stay safe from Android ransomware. Never install apps from unknown source. Use Google Play Protect. Keep your OS and apps up to date. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Backup your data regularly. And that is what happens when you test Android ransomware on your own device. Scary, right? Always stay safe online. If you found this educational, like, subscribe and share this video so others can learn too.